Hi, this is Ovian here. In this video, I'm going to show you the beautiful red maple trees I saw in a neighborhood in Oshawa, Ontario, Canada. Acer rubrum, the red maple, also known as swamp, water, or soft maple, is one of the most common and widespread deciduous trees of eastern and central North America. The red maple ranges from southeastern Manitoba around the Lake of the Woods on the border with Ontario and Minnesota, east of Newfoundland, south to Florida, southwest to East Texas. Many of its features, especially its leaves, are quite variable in form. At maturity, it often attains a height of around 100 feet. Its flowers, petals, twigs, and seeds are all red to varying degrees. Among these features, it is best known for its brilliant deep scarlet foliage in autumn. Due to its attractive fall foliage and pleasing form, it is often used as a shade tree for landscapes. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.